Who was the founder of Google? Sergey Brin and Larry Page. Who was the founder of WhatsApp? Jan Cowan and Brian Acton. When the World Standards Day is observed? 14th October. Who was the founder of YouTube? Javed Karim, Steve Chen, and Chad Hurley. When the World's Dance Day is observed? 29th April. When the National Sports Day is observed in India? 29th August. Who was the founder of Facebook? Mark Zuckerberg. When the National Girl Child Day is observed in India? 24th January. Which is the largest museum in India? The Imperial Museum at Kolkata. Which language is considered to be the oldest in the world? Tamil language. Which is the most spoken language of the world as a native language? Mandarin Chinese. Which is the most difficult language in the world to learn? Mandarin Chinese. Which is the most common blood group? O positive. Which is the rarest blood group? AB negative. Which is the most dominant constituent of cement? Lime. Which is the most dangerous animal in the world? Saltwater crocodile. Which is the longest river in the world? Nile, followed by Amazon and Yangtze. Which is the richest country in 2020 world? Qatar. Which is the first color film entirely made in India? Kisan Kanya. Which was the first TV serial in India? Hum Log. Who invented mobile phone? Martin Cooper. Which is the most commonly used tear gas? Omega chloroacetophenone. Which was the first railway station of India? Bori bunder, Mumbai, in 1853. Which is the first civil aviation airport of India? Juhu Aerodrome. Who was the first female actor in Indian cinema? Durga Bai Kamath in Mohini Bhasmasur, 1913. When WHO was founded? 7th April 1948. The day is celebrated as World Health Day. When the Red Cross Society was established in 1863 by Henry Dunant and others. Who was the first black professional footballer in the world? Arthur Wharton. What are the rings of the planet Saturn made of? Water ice with some rocky materials. Which planet has the maximum number of natural satellites? Saturn. It has overtaken Jupiter with 82 moons. Which animal is born with horns? Giraffe. First clone Dolly was named after which personality? American singer and actress Dolly Parton. Who is called the father of test tube babies? Robert Edward of UK, who won 2010 Nobel Prize in Physiology and Medicine. What QR stand for in QR codes? Quick response. From which plant is asafoetida or hing is cultivated? Ferula plants. Who invented logarithmic table? John Napier. What is philology? Study of languages. What is the dance performed by women to invoke rain in Bihar called? Jat Jatin. What does the exhaled air contain? A mixture of carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and oxygen, in which nitrogen has the highest percentage. World War II was fought between Axis powers, that is, Germany, Italy, and Japan, and the Allies, that is, Britain, USSR, USA, and France. Who was the first Indian to be awarded the Oscar for the Lifetime Achievement in Cinema in 1992? Satyajit Ray. What is the element of an electric stove made of? Nichrome. Who was the first foreigner to receive Bharat Ratna? Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. When did the first general elections in India take place? In 1952. Which was the India's first indigenously built missile boat? INS Vibhuti. Who was the first woman to climb the Mount Everest? Junko Taibei. Who received the first Dada Saheb Falke Award given in 1969? Devika Rani. Who was the first Indian actress for having been nominated to the Rajya Sabha? Nargis Dutt. Who was the first recipient of Bharat Ratna Award in 1954? C. Rajgopalachari. Who developed the polio vaccine? Jones Salk, 1955.